Yo, what is good, YouTube? We're headed to the Father's Day car show. I got my car in there, of course. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Luke. He's got a Slams Camaro. That shit is fire. It's on the floor. But yeah, probably like 10 minutes out, I'm gonna meet up with him. And then we're gonna go to the show. Pretty much, if you never heard of the Father's Day car show, somewhere in my town, where the whole main street is just covered with cars and shit. So I'm gonna try a video for you guys. It's gonna be a lit time. Usually it's crowded as fuck every year. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I meet Luke. Peace. We got my boy Luke Scott here.
Four other people my age there, we were all just getting lost the whole time, like trying to stay with each other. I kept like seeing a car and stopping, and then I look over alone.
They're probably like, where the fuck did they go?
Literally, I'm looking both ways, trying to like match someone's back of their head. I'm like, fuck, dude. Guys.
Well, I saw that thing driving down, and I was like, holy shit.
Look at the rear wheels. Holy, that's what I need, bro. The deep ass dish.
Yeah, deep dish like that.
Like, that is crazy.
With a thinner tire, that should go insane.
That's crazy. These are sick.
Are you serious? All on heaters? Are they making the cars for it?
I think they are, but it's gonna be a minute. But I don't care how old I am, I will be in the theater watching
Oh,
that shit.
oh, there's Darnell's car right there. I'm excited. I'm honestly excited for, what's it called?
The goodie bag.
Wolverine versus Deadpool.
Oh shit, I didn't even hear about that.
That shit's coming out like July 26th. Yeah, Darnell's car is so tough.
Thank you guys.
Yo, I was just cutting up on that the other day.
I was just about to say.
Wow, them old school cars are just different. Yo, it's actually fire we get early access. Yeah, right. Yeah, I know, right? Keep it like that. Oh shit, free fudge samples? That's the reason why I came here, guys.
Sorry, ass kid bag.
Yeah, right.
Good and bad.
That shit's loud as fuck. Look at this McLaren, huh? This Viper, shit's insane.
Joey, here's a ticket plate.
That's smooth, that's Latina, I like that.
That truck over there, that red truck is so tough. With the,
Dude, that's the color of my
inside,
the
like,
color of my dad's truck.
the
He should have came
microphone
here,
shifter,
bro.
Where your dad's at? Why he not out here?
Oh, he's like, oh, I didn't want to watch it the whole time.
Bro, I told my grandparents straight up. I was like, I was at an indoor show last weekend. I
Yeah.
found my boy's car. I called my boy. My boy is on Southwest getting Chinese and drinks, bro, because he can't leave.
Ford.
Oh my god, bro, he's not
Dude,
out.
it's like the same color like this, too.
He's not out. Nah, I need that color. Like, actually,
That color is so hard,
I gotta
bro.
look at the inside of it.
I know, right?
Have you seen this truck is so fire.
No, I don't think he has. You haven't seen my dad's truck, right?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, the microphone's
Yeah,
insane.
nothing's. Look at the headlining. Have you peeped that before?
No?
Like over there, there's a chick. There's chicks everywhere, bro. All the pinup girls, like from old mags and shit. Old
That's
posters.
awesome.
That's fucking motor, bro.
I know,
What are you
like,
talking
what?
about? What do you mean?
You have to spend another 10 for that, I bet.
paint matched.
Dude, I like the black edges on that.
I like the carbon fiber, dude.
Why do you even keep the carbon?
Carbon intake manifold? Huh?
Yeah, that's insane.
What? That has to
Look
be
at the size of the intake. Holy fuck.
extremely expensive.
Yeah. I don't even want to know how much it is just for the paint itself.
$1 million.
It's a house of candy apple red with torch edges.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
So that's how they get the black edges on with the torch. Dude, look at the interior.
Shit.
The carbon fucking steering wheel
Yep.
with the carbon dash.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's flexing. I couldn't imagine a sound system in this. That blue one? I'm going to check that out after. This is just such like a calm build, you know? Yeah, this is not calm. This guy's got a big gauge just right on the steering wheel.
The line is carbon.
Is it wrapped?
I would think.
Yeah, it's definitely wrapped. Yeah, it's just a
Wrapped
sticker.
really fucking good though.
Yeah. No, it looks nice though. I like that. Look at the size of these fucking tires, dude. 295, 65, 15. Yeah.
65 sidewall.
Put that on the Camaro.
Oh my god.
The Judge.
Right? Little bit.
Yeah. I love the wood bed. It's just the final touch. You have to do it.
No, it's so sick. I love the fucking.
Look at the brown leather.
The two-tone.
The brown leather is so nice.
Yeah. I love the white on the top of the bed.
Yeah,
too.
that's just
The white
like
on the bed
that's
really
pimp
goes.
status.
It's from
From Vermont.
Yeah, it's really sick.
Damn, you took a hike out here, huh?
And with a supercharger on it, oh my god. I can do 50 miles an hour. Yeah, that's
insane.
Honestly.
I don't know what the top end is on it, but I got it up to 70 and it's only turning 2 pounds.
Yeah, you could definitely have a lot of fun with this, but somebody was literally standing under the truck when he turned it on. Like this dude almost got run over. Straight climbed under the
I
truck.
like the seats. Dude, look at the paint on this.
This is the red I want.
Yeah, right? Almost black, dude. At night, too, it's just straight black.
Yeah, this is so bad. Trust me, I know. Wait, who are you? One of my grandparents' friends, like, times ago when I was like 9 years. But we pull up to like help her with the couch or something. And she's like, oh, dude, I haven't seen you forever. I'm just like, my grandfather thinks it's not slammed.
I know, right? Shit.
Lifted trailer, but you just put it all the way to the top setting.
Dude, look at the grass.
And this stays at this height, right? This isn't like any other lift or whatever. Grass money. It's so sick. Going to climb out from under it before bro drives away.
That's funny as hell.
It is a Dodge. It's a D100. That's what
Bro,
it
he's
is.
even got the Viper wheels.
Watch this. 615 horsepower.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. So that's a whole canopy in the back? W vents?
Got fangs.
It just, you know what I mean? You put a Honda motor in it, okay? And the funny thing is, it was a fucking, it had a BMW motor. These were BMW, this is a BMW.
Oh, this is probably more than I did.
This is an older one. The older one?
Dude, look at the carbon dash. Oh my god.
I like how we did that. That's cool.
The dash is kind of hard to like that. We just made it so much bigger. Some of these Mini Coopers, it's like one big gauge of the
Dude, look at this space in here.
That was amazing.
Dude, the deep dish too?
Bro, you know those are big money because that's what they put in like new cars.
Oh yeah.
Like if you get new cars with bucket seats option, then they're enormous. And how far are we from the car too?
Yo, place would be booming. Cause like
Inside too. It's insane. Yeah, no, there's so much work done to these cars. Like that side, wait until you get to
nice.
can't even look at girls anymore. They just run away with them. No way.
God. That's a wrap of the video, yo. I appreciate y'all watching. I got more videos coming soon. But yeah, like and subscribe, of course. You know, I'm trying my best out here. I'm trying to hit at least 50 by the end of the summer. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.